The Council of Europe, the European Union and the UNHCR organized a seminar to help lawyers assisting Ukrainians fleeing the war. We organized it in Poland, and it's a symbolic fact that we did it in the premises of the Warsaw Bar Association. Poland has indeed received a large number of refugees fleeing the war, and we need to acknowledge this fact. The Council of Europe, thanks to its flexible help program, Human Rights Education for Legal Professionals, and its e-learning platform, set up immediately as of 1st of March, coinciding also with the start of a new project founded by the European Union, the so-called Help e-Desk for lawyers in neighboring countries of Ukraine, but also gradually extended to other European Union countries. These national Help e-Desk have been managed by legal experts, many of them very good on migration and asylum law, and they have been regrouping up to 1,000 lawyers in Europe that are providing this assistance for the ultimate benefit of Ukrainian refugees that may stay or cannot return to their country. This seminar focused on the practical implementation of the European Union Temporary Protection Directive and its many challenges, the variety of problems and issues faced by Ukrainian refugees in different countries. Also, the issues faced by those categories of people who fall outside the scope of this useful and practical EU directive. It is important to say that all this will be also convened to all the Council of Europe Help e-Desk managers at a national level, and I would like to thank the Council of Bar and Law Societies in Europe, the CCBE, with whom we have been organizing this national Help e-Desk on asylum and migration.
We had a very fruitful meeting with our colleagues of the Council of Europe and the UNCHR to discuss how to best provide legal advice to those who fled the war in Ukraine. As I stressed at the meeting as representative from the European Commission, I mentioned that it's the first time that we implement the Temporary Protection Directive. So for all of us, it's very much learning by doing. And as you can imagine, with 26 member states that have to implement an instrument that was never implemented before, inevitably there are differences in the way they implement such an instrument. But that should not shy away from providing advice to people who are in need. And we're very grateful for the Council of Europe to have assisted people in need from the very beginning. And I'd like to stress that there are questions and answers and also guidelines issued by the Commission on this issue. And of course they are available to those who, via the help desk, provide such important legal advice to people in need. I'd like to thank the organizers, the Council of Europe and also the UNCHR for this event and for having invited also the European Commission. Many thanks.
Such seminars are extremely useful because there is a perceived need for clarity and further information about the interpretation to be given to certain provisions of the Temporary Protection Directive. The European Commission has prepared a lot of material on this subject, which is available on our website. But interacting with the legal practitioners and finding out about their practical concerns is useful feedback for the European Commission as well.
For many years, UNHCR has been enjoying an excellent cooperation with the Council of Europe Help program and developed many joint initiatives and courses linked to asylum. Today's unprecedented seminar held here in Poland and organized jointly by the Council of Europe, the European Union and UNHCR is really a unique discussion forum for lawyers from Ukraine but also the European Union. I mean, the response to the Ukraine refugee situation has also highlighted Europe's capacity for an innovative, protection-based and pragmatic approach to asylum. While nevertheless certain administrative, legal and practical barriers exist, the objective today was really to respond to the many concerns and challenges legal professionals are facing in their work. The discussions today have also highlighted that after this first generous response to the crisis, it is now crucial to not only focus on specific support to vulnerable persons, but also to make sure that all people in need of international protection have access to rights and that pathways to longer-term solutions are available as the conflict prolongs.